In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. Whether you've received a physical gift card or an electronic one, we'll walk through the steps together so you can add that balance to your Amazon account and use it toward your purchases. Let's get started by navigating to the Amazon website or app and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access the gift cards section of your account. If you're on the website, this is done by hovering over Account and Lists at the top right corner and then clicking on Account. From there, you'll see an option labeled Gift Cards. Click on that and you'll be well on your way. If you're using the Amazon app, it's just as simple. Tap the menu icon, which often looks like three horizontal lines. Then select Account. Under the Payments section, find and tap on Manage Gift Card Balance. Now that you've reached the right place, it's time to locate the option to redeem your gift card. If you're using the website, you'll see a button that says Redeem a Gift Card. Click on that, and it'll guide you to the next step. For app users, tap on Redeem Gift Card, and you're ready to input your claim code. Next, we need to enter the claim code itself. For those of you with a physical gift card, you should find the code on the back of the card. Scratch off any protective covering over the code if necessary, then enter it into the designated field. For electronic gift cards, if it's delivered via email, you might have a direct link to redeem it. Simply click on the link and you may be prompted to log into your Amazon account if you aren't already. Similarly, if you received the gift through a text message, there will be a link in the message that will direct you towards redeeming your gift card. After entering the claim code, the final step is applying the balance to your account. You will see a button labeled Apply to your account or something similar. Go ahead and click or tap that and you'll see the balance from the gift card has been successfully added to your account. The last thing to note is how easy it is to use this balance. When you're ready to make a purchase, Amazon will automatically apply your gift card balance during checkout. If your purchase exceeds your gift card balance, you'll have the flexibility to pay the remainder with the credit card or payment method you have on file. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've redeemed your Amazon gift card. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your shopping.